Patrice, don't move. I said stop, damn it.
Help! Help me! Ah! Help me! Help me! Help me, please!
Where'd you put the bomb?
You're hurting me!
Where's the bomb? Where'd you put it?
Help me get up!
Where is
Get
it?
off of me!
Hold still. Stay still. Stay still. Where's the bomb?
Freeze! Get off her! I'm gonna fucking shoot you!
Whoa.
Get off her!
Okay. All right.
Easy.
I'm undercover.
He's got a gun!
I'm a cop.
He attacked
She's
me!
a terrorist.
That nigger attacked me! He tried to rape me! Arrest him!
I'm an
He
undercover
tried to rape
cop.
me.
Show us your badge.
It's in my pocket, okay?
What are
I'm
you
an undercover.
waiting
for? Show us your badge.
It's in my pocket. Relax.
That
It's in my...
nigger attacked me! He tried to rape me! Arrest him!
I'm a cop.
Arrest him!
What are you doing?
Get on the ground now!
When you think about the fact that America is still well over 85% white, and America was founded exclusively by white people who wrote our Declaration of Independence and who fought for our freedoms, and were the basis of our civilization and our culture and our Western Christian society, that means that the Christian church that grew up in the world was overwhelmingly a white European phenomenon. The magnificent beauty of the European people. But today the word white is a curse word. And that makes it anti-white.
Who the fuck are you?
Undercover cop, you fucking idiot.
That black guy's a cop?
Give me your keys.
You're late.
Patrice, are you all right?
Patrice.